exciting news for Android enthusiasts. Google has just unleashed Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2 for Pixel devices, marking a significant step forward in the Android 16 beta program. But here's where it gets intriguing. This update isn't just another minor tweak, it's packed with features that could reshape how we interact with our devices. From enhanced security measures to user-centric customizations, Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2 is poised to make waves. Let's dive into what's new and why it matters. What's inside Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2? Quarterly platform releases, QPRs, are known for delivering more substantial changes than monthly updates, and this one is no exception. Unlike monthly patches that focus on bug fixes, QPRs introduce meaningful improvements. Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2 is particularly noteworthy, building on the momentum of its predecessor, Beta 1. Historically, QPRs are relatively stable, launching as betas rather than developer previews, and Google assures they're suitable for general use. This release is expected to hit the market in December, with a unique twist, a platform stability milestone, a first for QPRs. This means developers can count on final app-facing behaviors, though Google reminds us that the OS is still in active development, so occasional quirks might arise. For developers, a milestone achieved. Developers, take note. QPR2 Beta 2 has reached the platform stability milestone, locking in final app-facing behaviors. However, this is where it gets controversial. While the milestone is a win for consistency, Google cautions that Android 16 QPR2 is still evolving. This raises the question, how will developers balance leveraging new features with navigating potential instability? It's a fine line, and one that's sure to spark debate in the Android community. New features to get excited about. 1. Developer verification, a security game changer. Android developer verification is a bold new requirement designed to link real-world entities, individuals and organizations, to their apps. The goal? To thwart bad actors and enhance security. But here's the debate. While this move could significantly reduce malicious activity, some argue it might create barriers for smaller developers. What do you think? Is this a step too far, or a necessary evolution in Android security? 2. SMS OTP Protection, fighting OTP hijacking. To combat OTP hijacking, Android 16 QPR2 delays the delivery of SMS messages containing retriever hashes from most apps by 3 hours. Apps can still use the SMS Retriever API to access intended messages promptly. This feature is a clear win for security, but it begs the question, could this delay impact user experience for legitimate apps? Share your thoughts below. 3. Custom app icon shapes. Personalization meets functionality. Android 16 QPR2 lets users choose from a variety of icon shapes for all app icons and folder previews. It's a small change, but one that adds a touch of personalization to your device. And this is the part most people miss. While it's a fun feature, it also highlights Android's commitment to user customization, something iOS users often envy. 4. Efficient garbage collection. Smoother performance. The Android Runtime, ART, now includes a generational concurrent mark compact CMC garbage collector, focusing on newly allocated objects. This means reduced CPU usage, less jank, and improved battery life. It's a behind-the-scenes upgrade that promises a more seamless user experience. 5. Health Connect enhancements. Smarter health tracking. Health Connect now automatically tracks steps using your device's sensors and updates exercise segment and exercise session data types. It's a small but significant step toward making Android a more health-conscious platform. How to get Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2. The update is available for a wide range of Pixel devices, from the Pixel 6 to the Pixel 10 Pro XL, as well as the Android emulator. Most users will install it via the Android beta program, but flashing or sideloading are also options for the tech-savvy. But here's a thought. With so many installation methods, is Google making it too complex for the average user? Or is this flexibility a strength of the Android ecosystem? Final thoughts and your turn. Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2 is more than just an update. It's a glimpse into the future of Android. From security enhancements to performance tweaks, it's clear Google is listening to users and developers alike. But here's the question we leave you with. As Android continues to evolve, are these changes enough to keep it competitive in a rapidly changing tech landscape? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Whether you're a developer, a power user, or just an Android enthusiast, your perspective matters. The conversation starts here. What do you think about Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2?